Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of Trading Basics. In this video, I am going to show you how can you clear your Coinbase cache. So, in order to do that, you just simply have to open your setting application and into settings, just simply go into app settings. After going into app settings, just simply select the apps into the top, and after tapping into there, you will see all of your apps that you have installed. Now you just have to find the Coinbase app into here and select that application. And after coming into Coinbase application, just simply select the storage option into here. Now after selecting the storage option, you will get two options. First one is to clear the data and second one is to clear the cache. Now if you just want to clear the cache, tap into the second option, and if you want to clear all the datas, tap into the first option in order to do that. I just want to clear my cache, so I'll tap into the second option into here. And now after tapping into that, your cache will successfully be cleared. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.